Let's take a quick look at what's going on outside right now. Waking up this morning in the Santa Clara Valley, we're seeing 50s widespread throughout the bay. Off to a cool start and a cloudy start too. These clouds, they're holding on tight to the Santa Clara Valley this morning. That's a live look from the Black Mountain Cam just down south. And as we head a little bit more north into San Francisco, gloomy skies over the Bay Bridge this morning as we're waking up in the 50s with the low 50s up near Novato. A very similar trend all throughout the North Bay, by the way, where we're still under a dense fog advisory until 10 o'clock this morning. So here's what we're looking at when it comes to the big weather story for this week. Colder air moving its way in from the north with low pressure associated with this, actually. This is a cold front that's going to sweep its way through as the storm system drops just throughout the midweek this week. And then that's going to bring in a chance of gustier conditions and cold temperatures and cloudy skies, but sadly no rain actually. This system alone, I mean, watch what happens on Futurecast. It will bring rain to Northern California and all the way off into the Sierra Tahoe area, but by the time it makes its way to us, it's just cloudy skies. And actually the Sierra Tahoe area, they're going to get just a little splash of snow too, about an inch up there. So 'tis the season. We're getting closer and closer to ski season as it kicks off soon. Here's what we're looking at though, back here in the Bay for all of us heading out the door this morning and into this afternoon. Here's what we're looking at for daytime highs, upper 60s in San Francisco. We're going to see some breezier conditions, especially from offshore into this afternoon, around 20-mile-per-hour wind gust in areas like San Francisco all the way down into Half Moon Bay. This afternoon, we're going to be sitting in the 70s up into the North Bay, 70s all throughout the East Bay. So mild for us this afternoon, but that cold front that's right around the corner, it's going to bring in a lot cooler temperatures. Let me show you what's going on right now. I'm going to drop the map and I'm going to show you the next 7 days. Each tube shows you what it's going to look like condition-wise, especially as you head out the door. So 70s today with partly cloudy skies. We're going to see 60s by tomorrow, a 10-degree jump just from today all the way into Wednesday with cool conditions to last throughout the rest of this week, heading into our weekend forecast with sunny skies into next week. That's our inland forecast. As we take a look at the Bay, 70s and 60s back and forth too, just a little bit cooler and not that drastic of a change. Mind you, I mean, today we're sitting in the upper 70s off into our inland areas, low 70s closer to areas like San Francisco and Oakland too. And then we're going to hold on tight to these cool temperatures heading into this weekend.